Okay, today I have a hoodie coat, and we have the open-ended zip here, and I found it, the teeth here not very good anymore. 1, 2, 3 here, and the inside they make the binding here to cover the zip. So if I unpick the job and we do like the original, I think it's take a long time to do it. We can buy the new zip and then put it back on without the binding, so it will take shorter. Okay, I want to unpack this one. Yeah. I think one teeth here is broken. Yeah, we can see this. I try to mend this part. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, it's good. Okay, and now I have to lock this one because I cut the piece from this one off. Yeah, I have this one from, I took off from the old one, so I put here. Yeah. Okay, all done. Thank you very much for your watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get my new video from my job every day. Thank you. Bye bye.